Welcome to apartment K2 in historic Sheridan Court. Guys still didn't come with the shear on. We're just about a floor up, and this is in Sheridan. I just locked the door. How silly is that? All right. So we're in Sheridan Court, and in Sheridan Court, we pay your heat, we pay your hot water, we pay your stove use, we pay your gas, we pay, and you're going to have your listed rent, and then you're going to have a small water sewer charge, and then you pay your own electric. So basically take the rent and add about $50, somewhere in that neighborhood. K2 has just been fully restored. It's basically the end of January 2020. Large living room. I mean, there's a man's foot. This thing is monstrously huge. Massive, big, square living room. You are looking out over the courtyard. We rewire all the original 1926 light fixtures, and they're just absolutely cool. So huge living room. Off the living room, the bedroom in this one has a really terrible closet. So the architect that designed it put this extra big walk-in closet right off the living room. And you can also access it from the side here if that's the better way to do it for you. We're in the hallway. This is the talking tubes in Sheridan. So downstairs when you first come in, there's a buzzer, and they'll buzz it, and it rings that buzzer right there to let you know somebody's there. And then you come over and you talk to them, you spit at them through a big metal talking tube. And you'll do that about 3 times, and then you just whip your cell phone out. And then when you push this button, so we can't hear it from here, but that button opens up the security door downstairs. This was the original phone line, and it was a great spot. At the moment, it's a great spot for things like this, keys and glasses. Although I will tell you, I go into a lot of tenants when we have to go in, and there'll be a Hello Kitty doll or a He-Man action figure. Bathroom, we kept the original 1926 floor tile. Got tile in the bathroom. It's got a great new shower, new sink. It's the old Welling toilet, good medicine cabinet, everything a bathroom needs. Remember, we pay your heat here. Those get toasty warm. Bedroom is long and skinny. So if you don't have a big headboard footboard, you can put it this way, where, I'm laying like this direction. If you do have a large headboard footboard, a queen size bed will take up a good chunk of that back wall. So you'll be able to slide in from the 2 sides. It's got a smaller closet, but remember, you've got that big closet out front. Just a different style of the old 1926 light fixtures. We are on the front of the building. You look out to the courtyard. Let's see if I can get this. Of course. Well, anyway, this is the secret back courtyard of Sheridan. And so no matter how goofy the floor plan, when Strauss designed the place, he made it so that you had opposite side windows everywhere. So this is a very long apartment. It's big. This is just a cover for the radiator, so it's a little prettier. See how pretty that is? Let's step back here and get pretty. There we go. These windows just go out into that courtyard. You've got a couple of little china cabinet deals here. And gas stove, remember we pay for that. The old farmhouse sink. Looks like this has been here forever, right? It matches? No, it's like brand new. It's from Canada. But hey, you can make warm water. When we first got here, your cold was way over here and your hot was way over here. And so you could either scald yourself or you would freeze. Good refrigerator, cabinets, the original 1926. That space up there is for all that goofy stuff you got when you graduated from school and your aunt got you a fondue pot. What are you going to do with a fondue pot? Once a year. It's pretty cool. And then out the back is this fire escape we've rebuilt. And we're just a floor up, so it's really pretty simple. If I can get out here. Back there you see some blue dumpsters. That's where the trash goes, and that's basically a parking lot for Sheridan. And just around the corner there takes you back into laundry. The old incinerators, we don't use them anymore. You can't burn your trash. Sorry about that. So this is apartment K1 in Sheridan Court. And it's a 1-bedroom. Got a little kitchen, a little dinette. here. It's got the old farmhouse sink. We pay your heat, your hot water, your gas, your stove. We pay. Long, skinny bedroom. Great little bathroom, new sink. And then back out into a huge, massive living room. And we are off the main lobby in Sheridan. This is a lot of fun. These floors just got redone, gleaming like the sun. All right, thank you for watching.